Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial on how to cut out or make something like this glow. This is a tutorial that's been requested. It's going to be very quick. I'm not going to mess around too much and show you lots of different ways of doing it. So I've just gone to the same file, it's just zoomed in, so you can hold Alt and scroll your wheel in the middle of your mouse to go in and out. You've got two main ways of cutting. You've got your pen tool. If you click and hold, you can bend the pen between 2 points to make it much more accurate when going around corners. But if I finish this pattern off, I can then, so it does this, I can then right click and then go make selection, and you can add a feather if you want it to be a little bit more soft on the edges. Click OK, there's the selection, but we're not going to need that, so I'm just going to go up here and deselect that. We're going to be using this tool, the polygon select tool. If you can't see this, just click and hold and then scroll down one, and there it is. Right. So the cutting. I'm not going to be accurate. It's best to try and be as accurate as you can, because later on you'll see why. When the glow is applied, it stands out a little bit. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly whiz over this. I will catch you over. If you get to the edge, by the way, and you can't go up, just push it up with the mouse. There we go. I imagine I'll speed this bit of the video up. If you get stuck and you made a horrible point, you can also press delete and it'll go back a point as well. Right, so we're going to come to this bit around the thumb. Ooh, this is going to be very, very rough when it comes out, I can tell you. I have whizzed over that. Okay. Right, and then you get the end of selection and just click on the end there and it'll make the selection here. Make sure you've got this layer selected, it's the only layer you should have. Right click on the selection and just go new layer via cut. You get a white line around it, I'll tell you how to deal with that in a minute. Then you want to come back to this and click on this layer, back to the layer 0, which is now the bottom, which is the rest of the picture, not the gun. And then what we're going to do is just cut this thumb out and make a duplicate of it to sit on the top of the gun, so it makes a 3D sort of image, where when the glow is applied it'll glow underneath the thumb and you won't see it basically, whereas the rest of the gun you'll see in a minute. So if we're going to just very roughly take a line across, and then this is just a mask to mask what is here. So let's just do that, and then we're going to go and right click here and go new layer via copy. Okay, now if you go back to the gun, double click on this blank spot next to it, we're going to add the glow, and there it is. Now you'll see what I mean by the thumb. So if I click OK on that, you can see it's all like that. The thumb's got a bit of glow on it. So where we've taken layer 2, which is the thumb now, we're going to put that above the glow, and it gets rid of it and just makes it look a bit more 3D. If you do it nice and neatly, you won't be able to get any red lines at all. It'll look fantastic. So we're going to go back to the gun, open up the effects of the layer styles again, and we're going to go to stroke. I found white with 1 pixel, it just makes it stand out a little bit more, and it gets rid of that white line that I was talking about just around the edge of the gun. You can play with other things. You could add another stroke if you really wanted to go mad, and don't know. Depends on what you want it to look at. But you have now gone over the glow, so the glow would need increasing. So you come down to spread and size, and there you go. And then you do the same for this little guy here, and eventually you end up with this after you've added in some text and a little black background to make it stand out a little bit. Alright guys, I hope this tutorial helps you. The first one that I've done of this sort of thing, it's quite a simple thing to do. There are many tutorials like this, so probably watch a few of those as well. Like I said, there's many different ways of cutting something out, and they're all valid in kind of different situations. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, take care.